Hello everyone, thanks for joining today. My name is Bobby with Vivid Lumen, and today we're going to discuss a few new product lines, starting with the Velocity 2.0s and the Velocity Plus. So with the Velocity 2.0s, we've made some serious upgrades. Number one, the clockability. The locking ring on the 2.0s has a really nice guided range, so it prevents either losing locking rings. Also, it'll only set to a certain clockability standard as opposed to all the way around or falling off. Number two, the output. The Velocity 2.0s are 9200 lumens per pair. We've added a heat sink that's open to atmosphere, so it allows the bulb to cool faster. The fan is about 50% bigger than the Velocity 1.0. Now, when using the Velocity 2.0s, it's probably not going to be the best bulb for every application because of the size difference. So if we compare the 2.0s to a halogen bulb, you can see that the back of the fan housing is about 3/4 inch longer than a regular halogen bulb. In that case, the Velocity 2.0s are going to be great for something with a big headlight housing that doesn't interfere with dust covers. If you are going to run into any sort of clearance issues, what we would recommend is the Velocity Pluses. Now, the Velocity Pluses are going to be a great upgrade. The Velocity Pluses are about 200% brighter than stock. You can see the fitment has a 1/4 inch more depth than a halogen bulb, which is within parameters to fit 100% of headlight housings. We're excited to provide you with these three new product lines: triple threat heated, Velocity 2.0, and the Velocity Plus. If you have any questions for us, you can reach us at 888-498-5525 or send us a message on social media or an email. Thanks for watching.